Make or break your habits. A wonderful one-day workshop, and there are different types of habits we have. For example, detrimental habits you want to break. Example, tea, coffee, cigarettes. Food habits you want to break or change. You're having too much tea, coffee, etc. Then routine habits, like you're getting up at 7 or 8, you want to get up at 5 or 6, something like that. Then there are skill habits, you want to learn some art or some skill like driving, cycling. You want to do it, but time nahi mil raha hai. Thinking habits, especially people thinking very low or negative. So you want to change it to positive thinking habits. Then habits relating to your work, laziness, कल करेंगे, procrastination, देखेंगे, अरे अभी time नहीं है. ये जो work habits you can change. You can change relationship habits, like अक्सर हम क्या करते हैं, दूसरों के बारे में बुरा बोलते हैं, खराब बोलते हैं, या gossip करते हैं, इल बात करते हैं. These sort of unhealthy relationship habits does not lead us anywhere. Habits related to your organization, like talking तू मैं एक दूसरे के बारे में, this you would like to change. Behavioral habits you would like to change. Situational habits means in a particular situation you blow your fuse off. It's very, very hot and you lose your cool, you lose your temper. These type of habits you may want to change. And of course you want to make some habits like uplifting habits, getting up early, or basically starting to do yoga, or service to others, or thinking rightly, thinking highly. These are some habits we would like to inculcate. Some value habits like being honest, keeping your integrity. These are the habits we would like to integrate in our lives. And of course, some money habits which we have unknowingly, we have built in some habits or thinking about in money in certain ways which does not attract abundance, but it really takes away your abundance from you. So these are various habits which we cover in this program called Make or Break Your Habits. Either you can make it or you can break it. ये बहुत आसान है. हमने बहुत से न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस बनाए हैं, सोचते हुए कि ये साल से हम ये करेंगे, ऐसा रहेंगे, लेकिन कुछ अभी तक होता नहीं है. आप अपना एक दिन का समय निकालिए, पूरे सुबह से शाम तक आप इसको ब्रेक या मेक कर सकते हैं. ये बहुत आसान है, सिंपल है, और आपके दिमाग में शायद ऐसा आता होगा कि ऐसा कैसा, जब इतने साल से नहीं हो सकता है तो एक दिन में कैसा हो सकता है. हमने कम से कम 8 साल स्टडी किया है कि ये जो ब्रेन है, हमारे पास 3 ब्रेन है, ये which brain works in which way, and how to understand what brain we are operating from. ये सब जो है, इसको बोलते हैं न्यूरो साइंस एंड क्वांटम फिजिक्स. ये स्टडी करके हमने देखा है कि अगर 6 पैरामीटर हमने सेट किया, if there are 6 parameters we set, habits are very easy to break or make. मैंने खुद अपने जीवन में बहुत से हैबिट्स चेंज किए हैं इसको इस्तेमाल किए हुए, और hundreds of people have benefited from this program. So all you need to take out is one day of your important time and make it or break it, whichever habits you want. It's a very practical workshop, very easy, और ये होता भी है, आप सिर्फ आकर अनुभव कीजिए. I welcome all of you to Make or Break Your Habits program. Thank you.